Here's my 90-day update hydroponic cucumber grow, and this is the last day of the grow. It's 90 days from I started the seeds, and I'm just going to go over the overview. There's all the cucumbers that are left. A lot of the plants are just dying off. A lot of end of life. A bunch of the vines are dying off, and that's about the longest the plants are going to stay up. You can tell some of them haven't matured. I still got plenty of good-sized cucumbers. Check out this guy. It's growing above the lights. Piccolino here. This is the Spectrum King 400 Plus. Here's a root system. This is grown on the Chem-Gro Cucumber Grow formula. And this is the Botanic Care Grow series. You can tell they're all dying off. I kept the parts per million on both of them, about 850 parts per million. And the pH around 6.5. They went through about 5 gallons of water a week, and I'll give you guys totals once I get done cutting them all off. Here's what the cucumbers look like after I cut them off the vine. These are the rest of the cucumbers. This is the Chem-Gro formula and the Botanic Care Grow series. Alright, we're going to weigh this guy here. .74 ounces. £2. 928 grams. And that's the biggest cucumber I got out of the grow. It's using LED lights hydroponically, using the Spectrum King 400 Plus lights.